everyone, my name is Niharika. I am studying in 4th standard. My topic name is vegetables: tomato, pumpkin, potato, brinjal, capsicum, radish. Vegetables are healthy foods. They keep the body in good health. Vegetables are rich in mineral and fiber. Some vegetables grow on trees and plants. Some vegetables grow on underground. ತರಕಾರಿಗಳು ಉತ್ತಮ ಆರೋಗ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ತರಕಾರಿಗಳು ಬೇಕು. ತರಕಾರಿಗಳಿಂದ ದೇಹಕ್ಕೆ ಬೇಕಾದ ಪೋಷಕಾಂಶಗಳು ದೊರೆಯುತ್ತದೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ತರಕಾರಿಗಳನ್ನು ತಿನ್ನಬೇಕು. I am studying in St. Joseph International Science and Technical School, Kottanahalli, Malasandra, Tumakuru, Karnataka. I am proud to be a Josephite. Thank you.